well-trained workforce is essential to protecting the safety of those working with propane autogas systems. Technicians must know and understand the properties and characteristics, uses and safety precautions relating to autogas, and what to do in case of an autogas leak before working with it and its associated vehicle equipment. Autogas is a pressurized gas that will diffuse throughout a space more quickly than gasoline or diesel when released in either its liquid or vapor state. And these properties require technicians to possess specialized training and awareness. Because propane is a liquefied gas, special precautions should be taken for technicians' personal safety when working with autogas fuel systems. Generally, autogas personal protective equipment, or PPE, includes appropriate gloves resistant to the colder temperatures of liquid autogas, as well as eye or face protection for transferring autogas and for purging autogas from pressurized storage of fuel system components. As with any conventional or alternative fuel, all employees who handle propane must know and follow fire prevention rules and procedures. Fire extinguishers can keep a small incident from becoming a major accident, and employees should know where extinguishers are located and, if authorized, be trained in how to use them in accordance with their company's policy. Like conventional fuel systems on cars and trucks, it is possible for the connections to the autogas fuel tanks or the fuel lines to become fractured during an accident or corrode over the life of a vehicle. Timely maintenance and inspections will identify possible leaks and their causes. Identifying and stopping the sources of fuel system leaks must be done before any other service work is performed on the vehicle. If an unintentional or accidental autogas leak occurs during the maintenance or repair of a vehicle, it is important to address the leak immediately, monitor and remove any possible sources of ignition, and inform others present of the situation. If the release is large, the area is to be evacuated until emergency personnel determine it is safe to re-enter. It is paramount that employees follow company policy as it pertains to an autogas leak.